Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your English knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is you would stick dash your promise. A by B to C with and D and. So the correct option is B 2. The next MCQs is the traveler dash along to water the camel. A took, B saw, C sought, and D made. So the correct option is A took. The next MCQs is Shahjahan dash great mosque at Delhi. A found, B raised, C created, and D established. So the correct option is A found. The next MCQ is he was dash of theft in the court. A charged, B reported, C blamed, and D accused. So the correct option is A charged. The next MCQ is he dashed on a very extraordinary ambition. A arrived, B decided, C came, and D hid. So the correct option is A arrived. The next MCQ is in each of the following questions, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one and fill the circle corresponding to that letter and the MCQ's response form. A. Email is relatively new mean of communication. B. Email is relatively new mean to communication. C. Email is relatively new means of communication, and D. Email is relatively new means to communication. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is she the computer was programmed by Mona. B. Just like she said the computer was programmed by Mona. C. Is like she said the computer was programmed by Mona. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the remains of the body will thrown into the sea. B. The remains of the body were thrown to the sea. C. The remains of the body were thrown to sea. And D. The remains of the body was thrown into the sea. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is A. Option A. They feel bad while leaving their friends. B. They feel badly about leaving their friends. C. They feel very badly about leaving their friends. And D. They feel badly while leaving their friends. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ's first option is A. Masood told me that he would hire more salesmen if he is in my position. B. Option Masood told me that he would hire more salesmen if he had been in my position. Option C. Masood told me that he would hire more salesmen if he is my position. And D. Masood told me that he would hire more salesmen if he had been in my position. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is in each of the following questions, 4 alternative meaning of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the word and fill the appropriate circle on the MCQ's response form. Against, A. Critical, B. Reluctant, C. Happy. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is envious, B. Unbreakable, C. Interesting, C. Unpleasant, and D. Fair. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your English skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more question. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.